Canada wasn't involved, we weren't notified, and we do not have an intention to be involved in any military strikes or operation.
Wala raw naging papel at walang anumang planong maging bahagi ng anumang military operation ng Canada sa Iran, bagamat isinaad ng Canadian government ang suporta para sa US military attack na pumatay sa leader ng Iran noong Sabado.
We prefer a diplomatic solution. This is why I have spent the last 2 days speaking with my counterparts across the Middle East and in the Gulf states, and all of my G7 counterparts, stressing that Canada believes in a diplomatic and peaceful solution, and as soon as possible, we would like parties to get to the table.
Ayon kay Anand na nasa New Delhi ngayong Lunes, tulad ng Amerika, ikinababahala din daw ng Ottawa ang nuclear proliferation ng Iran, pero hindi inahayag ang pananaw kung labag ba ang US-Israeli strikes sa international law.
We will continue to call for a diplomatic solution as well as for Iran to cease proliferating in terms of nuclear weaponry.
Sa lumalawak na Iran conflict, apektado na rin ang shipping sa Gulf Coast at hindi bababa sa 4 na tankers ang napinsala at tinatayang 150 barko ang naipit matapos ang retaliatory attacks ng Iran. Dumadaloy sa Strait of Hormuz na nasa pagitan ng Iran at Oman ang 20% ng langis sa mundo at ayon sa analysts, posibleng mas maramdaman ng consumers ang epekto nito lalo sa mga motorista.
So Canadian consumers will definitely feel the impact of the conflict in the Middle East, particularly in Iran. We are already seeing some of the early effects. So in fact, if magpapagasolina ka, makikita mo na medyo tumataas na yung presyo ng gasolina, yan na yung mga paumpisang epekto niya. But we haven't seen the full effect of this yet. Kasi kauumpisa pa lang relatively. And inaasahan natin if the Americans were to be believed na mas tatagal pa ito. Kasi yung sinasabi nila, baka tumabot pa ng 1, 2, 3, 4 na linggo. Depende sa haba ng operation na ginagawa nila doon. Now, the more na matagal itong conflict na ito, the more na magiging adverse ang effect nito sa ekonomiya ng global economy, not just Canada, but the global economy because of the supply chain disruptions.
Inaasahan din ng analyst sa gaswizard.ca na simula Miyerkules, tataas ng 5 cents per liter ang gasolina, habang tataas naman ng 13 cents ang diesel. Patuloy daw na ineengganyo ng Ottawa ang diplomasya, pero iba-iba ang tugon ng mga bansa.
Some countries believe that a diplomatic solution is not possible at this time. Others want to work as quickly as possible to ensure diplomacy becomes the next phase of this horrific situation.
Ayon sa Iranian Red Crescent Society, mula Sabado, mahigit 500 na ang nasawi sa Iran dahil sa mga strikes. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.